Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make jewel macarons. I used jewel macaron kit. Actually, I filmed this video 2 years ago, maybe a year ago, and I didn't get a chance to edit it. This kit is no longer available, but there's a new macaron kit. I will link it in the description box, so please check it out. I already have macarons from scratch videos, so if you are interested in, I will link the videos in the description box, so please check them out. Anyway, I hope you find this recipe helpful, and I hope you can try it out. This is the jewel macaron kit I used. Now the pastel macaron kit is available. The kit comes with the ingredients and the recipe. What you need in addition to the kit is butter and egg white. The new pastel macaron kit requires water instead of egg white. I think it's an improvement. Whip egg white with an electric mixer until foamy. Add macaron mix half at a time and mix with an electric mixer for a minute. Sift in powdered sugar and almond powder half at a time, then mix with the spatula. Now Macaronage. Punch down the spatula into the batter, then scrape the butter from the sides to the center. And punch again. Repeat this until the butter slowly and continuously drips back into the bowl like a ribbon when you scoop it up with the spatula. Fill a pastry bag with the butter and snip off the end. Pipe out the butter in the circles. You can make about 20 circles.
これは失敗だね。
失敗だね。
うん。
で、シュッと。あ、そうそうそう、上手上手上手今の。
Sprinkle with jewel sugar.
こういう感じでね、キラキラするためのコツはね、あまりかけすぎないこと。
Let's stand at the room temperature until dry for about 30 to 60 minutes. Make sure the butter will not stick to your finger. Preheat the oven. Turn down the heat and bake for 16 to 17 minutes. Let the macarons cool completely on the baking sheet. Now let's make buttercream filling. In a bowl, mix butter in the cream mix. Make sure the macaron shells are completely cool. Put the cream on the middle of the shell. Then gently place another shell on top. Put in the fridge to set. Buttercream is very easy to melt, so be careful when you carry them around.
And now it's done.
You can store the macarons in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. Just for your information, the new pastel macaron kit doesn't require Macaronage. You don't need to dry macarons, you can bake straight in the oven. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
おいしい。チョコレートマカロン作ったじゃん。チャンネル登録をお願いします。ゲットボタン押してね。バイバーイ。